Eventually, consumable items used by the machine will run out and require replacement. In this video, we're going to show the process for replacing paper, toner, staples, and waste toner. Please note that the steps for replacement of the consumables will be slightly different on different models. The video that the machine presents you on screen will be appropriate for your device. Machines shown in this video are examples only. Loading paper in the paper drawer. Hold the handle of the paper drawer and pull it out until it stops. Fan the paper stack and tap on a flat surface to align the edges. Load the paper and adjust the position of the paper guides. Slide the guides until they click into place to avoid the paper size being misrecognized. Ensure the paper stack does not exceed the load limit line. Close the drawer. If you have only changed the paper size, the machine should automatically adjust for the new paper size. If you have changed the paper type, then you need to inform the machine of the change. From the control panel, select the Settings Registration button, Device Settings if you are an administrator, Preferences, Paper Settings, Paper Settings. Now select the drawer that you have adjusted. Click Set and select the new paper type that you have loaded. Click OK, OK, and close. If the messages are displaying to replace a toner, you will be guided on screen step by step as to the replacement process. Currently here is the replacement toner process for the imageRUNNER C3730. Depending on the machine configuration, you can have staples for both corner stapling as well as booklet stapling. Here's a booklet finisher. It has two staple locations. Like toner replacement, the staple replacement process specific to the finisher you are using will be shown on screen. If the machine requires a waste toner to be replaced, the replacement process for the model you are using will be shown on screen. If you want to access the consumable videos without the machine being in the state of needing the consumable to be replaced, they can be accessed by pressing the Settings Registration button, Device Settings, Adjustments Maintenance, Maintenance, check Maintenance Method, and then select the item that you would like to view the video on.